I'm recording. Sorry. You know how you get in that moment where you just know you cute. You like, hey. Well, one of my followers asked me to recreate a look. Hopefully you guys can see it. And let's talk about some products that can help you get this look. Stay tuned. I know you guys are used to me doing tutorials, but today we're going to actually go over products that I use for the look that I created. I'm going to start at the lips. I usually don't do nudes, but I did the Wet n Wild, Just Peachy. And this is only, you can find this at your local store. It's only like $1.99. So that's something cute to use, and it stays on for a long time. In combination with that, I use Anastasia's, this one is called Dainty Lip Gloss. So I use that for my lips. Also for my eyes, I did do false lashes. You can do them, you can get them from anywhere, but I also use Perversion by Urban Decay. I use Pat McGrath's eyeliner marker. I also use Perversion's Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. I say I use Perversion. I use Urban Decay's Perversion. And that's just to get a darker look. I used MAC's Fix Plus Spray. If you notice in any of my videos, I always mess it up. It's such a tongue twister. Say that 5 times fast. And anybody will know that I love this. Sorry, voice cracking on me. And for the glitter and the gold, I used Urban Decay's Heavy Duty Metal. Or Heavy Metal. I don't know where I got the duty, but I did it. And I also used Tarte Eye Jewels. I used NYX glitter. This one was $15. I bought the 3 with the eye glitter combination. I think if you just buy this, it's like $6, so it's probably better to just get the whole set. I also use, oh, excuse me, Anastasia's, I can't talk today, stick foundation. So that's a good thing that I'm showing you guys because I can't talk. I also use Younique's Moonstruck Addiction palette. I just used one color in here, and that is the vintage. Actually, I just made that up, you guys. I used the Sarcastic. That's something that sounds like me. I also used Anastasia's first palette. This one palette is called World Traveler. So, and I also use Anastasia's Glow Kit, and she has several different ones, but this is my favorite because it's more of our more of my skin tone. I also use Anastasia's Cream Contour Kit. I use Morphe. Ooh. Y'all didn't see that. Eyeshadow palette. This is the 350. This is one of her, I don't know if it's a her or him. One of the newer ones. And I also use the Morphe, another Morphe palette. I like the plastic in them. It keeps my color, so y'all don't judge me on that. And I also used Coulor Pop's eyeshadow palette. It's like a cream eyeshadow. And this one is called Lightning Bug. And it has a lot of the pinks, the oranges, the things that you can use for Valentine's Day. So that's just the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, thank you for joining me on Facial Works. I'm in here jamming. Hey. I was getting tongue-tied there. Don't judge me. Thanks. See you next time.